Hey guys, it's Annie with Southtown Realty. It's Friday, which means it's our Fabulous Friday Finds. So I've got two really fun, quirky houses that I'm going to be showing to you today, just like totally any wheelhouse kind of houses. So let's go. We are on one of my favorite streets in Salt Lake. This is Green Street. It's right in 9th and 9th area. That is Liberty Park right there. And I had a good friend who lived on the street for years and always loved coming over here, and it's got all these cute houses. This is the one we are seeing today, this adorable little blue house. Oh, look at all this Russian sage. Look at how cute it is. Here is our little front porch, and oh my god, you guys, I'm already so excited. Let's admire this beautiful door right here. Lots of character in this house, you know how I like it. So here's our little entryway where we can hang our coats and set our beats down. Original floors. This house was built in 1908. Look at this beautiful bay window, and like so much character in this house. So beautiful, all of the original woodwork. So we'll check that out in a second, but let's go. Another bay window in here. This is just gorgeous. Oh, and I love, look at these, I don't know what this is. Like an linoleum, like an old linoleum that looks like carpet. And then, oh my gosh, you guys, this is gonna be so good. Oh, that is loud. Okay, sorry. Look at this floor is so amazing, and you've got a matching backsplash. And of course you have a clawfoot tub. What else would it be? And then here's that front room. The nice big closet, actually. That's good. And, okay, continuing on. Like, look at, I don't know if you can see in this light, but like these doors have that old, my nails, this old patina. I love that. Let's check out the kitchen. From that dining room, we come into the kitchen, and apparently aliens live here. So this cute little dish rack, a lot of original elements, and look at this. Oh, feed the hungry communal pantry. So this old butler's pantry. I can't get the light to turn on in here, but oh my gosh, it's so rare to see a house that's got so many original things, and unfortunately somebody will very likely come in here and rip it all out. Here's a little bathroom. Again, they love their old tile. Lots of bedrooms in here, actually. This has got a little loft bed in it. It must have been just like, must have been a ton of roommates that lived in here. Just, yeah, totally has that feel. Very cute. All right, let's check out the backyard. And we've got a cute little backyard, this little deck. It's got alley access, so someday you could build a garage like that guy's very cool garage, but right now you've got a shed. Adorable. Just adorable. Okay, should we go into the basement? At least there's a light on down here. I think if there weren't a light, I would not be coming down here. These old houses always have a little bit of a spook to them. I can't help myself. There's just like a lot of history in these places, you know? So, I mean, this is a really tall basement. I don't know if you guys can see me if I turn around, but plenty of room for storage and walking around down here. Actually a pretty new looking furnace. So laundry. Little spooky. You guys remember when you were kids and your mom had you go down into the basement for something, and then like you try to stay calm, but every time you just like pumped up the stairs like something was chasing you? It just had that feel. I took everything I had just now to not like run back up those basement stairs like a little kid. Okay, I just wanted to take one last look at this beautiful window. Like 10 out of 10 would just sit here and kind of like people watch and chill. This house is really quiet and really cool. Really, really cool house. We are on another favorite street of mine. This is Lake Street. So the park, Liberty Park, is just basically on the other side of this house. And this is the cute little house that we're here to see, among many other adorable houses. like such a great walking area. I own a house just over there that I used to live at, which is just the perfect dog walking house. All right, here's our little coffee front porch. We're gonna head inside. This is gonna be a much more updated version of the house that we just saw. It, you know, updated, cleaner, tidier, etc. But kind of similar attributes. So nice front room here, and then we walk through to another room, and oh, that's full of stuff, but that's a huge closet. And I love these doors. Ah, bathroom. Got a cute little bathroom. Okay, so we're just gonna keep walking around. So here's our kitchen, and then here is the dining room. And please do not miss this amazing chandelier. Loving it. Nice big windows. This person loved purple, clearly, which I love that they loved purple. And then what do we have here? Another little closet with a window. How cute. Nice updated kitchen. And little patio zone. Very slanted, which is very typical of these homes, so don't be scared. All right, we've got another basement, but I don't see a light yet. Eee! All right, there are light bulbs down here, but I can't see them, so this is as far as I'm gonna go. You can see there's a little room back there and some storage, and it's relatively tall, but I'm way too much of a scaredy cat to go all the way in there. Okay, this backyard is what I was most excited to see because I'm just loving the shape of this cool deck. Like, I love when people do things that aren't, you know, they could have just built a square deck, but they didn't. They built this cute little rounded, almost like stage-like deck. And look at these trees, you guys. It's like a little haven back here, like a little forest haven. And then you've got this little, I guess this is a garage. Oh, there's a hot tub in there. Forgot to mention that. I think this has alley access too. Okay, we've got garage. Let the record show that that dog scared me. Jumpy today, I guess. Anyway, decent sized garage, especially for this neighborhood. Super nice to have. And yeah, otherwise you're like nice little refuge back here. Love it. Hey there, I'm back at home now just uploading these videos, and I just wanted to say thanks so much for watching. And I had forgotten that I used to do captions, so maybe that's the way to go in case you're at work and you want to like watch the videos without your boss knowing or whatever. So I also have a cocktail. Busted. Anyway, hope you guys have a great weekend and a happy new year. Holy shit, it's the New Year's, so happy New Year's to y'all. Thanks for a great year of watching all of my ridiculous videos on the internet. I hope that they brought you some amount of joy. So, okay, bye!